Hey there, welcome to Fit Life Essentials. If you're short on time but want maximum results, this 5-minute home workout is for you. Let's burn some fat and boost that energy, right from your living room. Let's start with jumping jacks to warm up and get our heart pumping. Keep going, light on your feet and arms wide. Feel that energy building up. Great start. Now let's move to push-ups. Time for push-ups. Go at your own pace. Knees down if you need to. Focus on engaging your chest, shoulders, and core. Keep breathing. Awesome job! Next up, we've got squats. Stand tall and let's hit those squats. Keep your back straight and go as low as you can. This move strengthens your legs and glutes. Feeling the burn? You're doing amazing. Let's challenge the core with a plank hold. Hold that plank. Keep your back flat and core tight. If it's tough, drop to your knees but keep holding. This one's a killer for your abs and stability. Almost there, let's finish strong with high knees. Run in place with high knees. Pump those arms, lift your knees to your chest, and push through. This is your final move. Give it everything. Great work, you've just smashed a 5-minute full-body workout. Remember, consistency is key. Like, share, and subscribe to Fit Life Essentials for more quick workouts. See you next time.